always heard about the bird, but the bird, bird, bird. The bird's the word, oh well, the bird is the word. Oh well, bird, 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 well, the bird's the word, oh well, bird.
Birds can chirp and tweet. They can eat worms and seeds. They also fly in the sky. When the moon is high, they sleep in their nest up high. And when the sun comes up, they start flying again. Birds have wings. They are fluffy, soft, and cute. They tweet and fly. Birds can be different sizes and colors. Some have a sharp beak. Brooks birds. I like birds that fly. They sleep in a nest. I want a bird for a pet. A bird is a good animal. Birds can chirp or tweet. Birds are cute. Mamas have to feed baby birds. Some birds are pets. They lay eggs. They are really cute. Why do birds fly? They have strong wings. Birds can tweet and chirp. They eat worms and seeds. All birds are pretty. Birds are different colors and sizes. They can fly. They have feathers and they are pretty. They can lay eggs. They eat bird seeds.
I love birds because they can fly. The birds are great because their nest is good to live in. Birds live in the outdoors because their nest is soft. I like birds because they are soft.
Birds can fly. They can lay eggs. Birds have wings. Sometimes they chirp. They can also tweet.